Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. We have deal of the day 10. Deal of the day 10. Drum roll. Kind of. Deal of the day 10. There was an icon box. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Deal of the day 10 is here. Two great deals, allegedly. 20% off all icon 56-inch and 73-inch roll cabs. There's only two. So 20% off the 56-inch roll cab and the 73-inch roll cab. And then this is a little different. Icon bundle deal, $69.99. I love the price. It's very nice. Together would normally be $115, $44 off, and it's the G2 3/8-inch drive 14-inch long locking flex ratchet, plus the 3/8-inch drive 12-piece professional deep socket set. Your choice of SAE or metric. This is July 26th, the last day of the deal of the 10 days of deals, Sunday, going along with deal of the day 9 and your free gift weekend. Make sure you pick up your free gift, and then next weekend 30% off all items $20 and under. But that's our deal of the day 10. Give you my opinion. A little 20% off any single item happens often. Happens a few times throughout the year, probably maybe about four times a year. So this 20% off all icon 56-inch, 73-inch roll cabs is basically a 20% off any single item, because you could pull the trigger for that. So I wish they would have done maybe 25% off icon at minimum. Obviously looking for 30%, 35% would have been incredible. But 20% off when we get plenty of 20% off any single item throughout the year is a little bit disappointing. Although these icon specifically don't go on sale that often. I would say very rarely. Icon bundle deal, $69, and we'll go into it right now. $69.99 is nice. But yeah, actually, let's jump in because we'll compare the prices. So we'll start off with, again, free gift weekend starting this week, in-store only. We'll start off with the 73-inch by 25-inch professional roll cab. $3,000 is nuts compared to Snap-on. You're saving $17,000. So I guess compared to Snap-on, it's not that nuts. Save $13,000. Oh my goodness. Red, black, blue, or green. Lifetime warranty, we know that. More reviews than I expect. 4.9 out of 5 stars. Highly reviewed. Awesome value for the money. Best bang for the bick. Fantastic toolbox. Impressive. Great substitute for tool truck brand. Beautiful. Perfect and easy to use. Unbelievable. We get the picture. So it's awesome. Icon, it's awesome. They're coming out with G2 soon, though. You would think that maybe they would want to move some inventory. But reviews are great. $3,000 and at 20% off. Bring up the calculator. $3,000 and at 20% off. Getting $600 off. Getting it down to $2,400. So still a pretty penny, but $2,400. Looking at the price history on this roll cab, hasn't changed in price. Looks like it's been steady since 2023. There have been deals on it, which would be what these dips are. And it looks like the lowest dip was recently, back in January of this year, went down to $2,500. So it's $500 off. So technically, at $600 off, this is the best deal that it's been at, outside of any large percentage off any blanket storage discount. So $2,400. But again, this would be the discount you would get with any 20% off any single item. So that's the only thing. If your timing is right and you need one of these and you want one of these, then it works out. 20% is a great deal, unless you get the 25% off any single item. We miss you coupons, which those are very valuable as well. But that's the Icon 73-inch roll cab at $3,000. Save $600. It is technically the best price according to the tracker, but it is only 20% off, which happens multiple times a year. Then we have the 56-inch by 25-inch professional roll cab, $2,500, fully modular, same colors, red, black, blue, or green. Also going to be, obviously, lifetime warranty, guaranteed to be free from defects. 4.9 out of 5 stars. 98% of customers recommend. Shipping was terrible. Now Toolbox is proving bad. Interesting. No rating. Amazing box, better than Snap-on, but customer service, whoop. Great if you plan on not getting the additions. Babe, the big blue box. I love it. Best toolbox in the world. Brilliant box. Love my new icon box. But great product, terrible purchase experience. Interesting. Why buy anything else? So for the most part, very positive reviews. Great quality, awesome toolbox. 2,500 bucks. $2,500, and then 20% off of that, get it down to 2,000 bucks. So save an even $500. But then again, according to the price history for the 56-inch Icon roll cab, has gone up in price since it came out back in 2021. It came out at $2,000, but of course, prices go up, inflation goes up. Price hasn't changed since 2022, so it has been a bit. It hasn't changed recently, but it went up to 2,500 bucks and it stayed at 2,500 bucks. Doesn't show any discounts for this roll cab at all. So outside of any all storage sales, which don't happen often, 20% off is going to be the best price, getting it down to its original price of $2,000. So unless you can get your hand on one of the We Miss You coupons, this would be, again, the best time to get it. Or you can be patient and wait for a 20% off any single item. You have options, because this sale will come around again. But again, not a bad deal. 2,000 bucks, lowest price that it's been since it came out. Nice shirt, buddy. So those are the roll cabs, 20% off. Again, solid deals. Just wish they would have upped it a little bit to separate itself from that percentage off any single item. And then of course we have the Icon bundle deal, both for $69.99, normally $115, save $44. So we'll start off with just what's the percentage off there. So $44 off of $115, 38% off. So 38% off. So similar to these deals in discount when they go on their parking lot sale level discounts. So 38% off is solid. Not as many deals or options as we thought. We were hoping they'd do all G2 ratchets, maybe all sockets, but they're doing a bundle deal. So we'll take a look at them. So it's the Icon G2 3/8-inch drive, 14-inch long locking flex ratchet with comfort grip, and surprisingly, maybe unsurprisingly, is $69.99. Locking flex G2 ratchet. So original price for this is $69.99. So essentially what you're getting is you buy this flex head ratchet and you're getting the 3/8-inch drive metric professional deep socket set, which is $45. Essentially you're getting this bundle, buy this ratchet, get these sockets for free. And it's a pretty decent deal as long as you already don't have these. The G2 3/8-inch flex head, of course, doesn't have any too much price history. Just came out a year ago. Hasn't been too many discounts on this specific 3/8-inch drive ratchet. For the sockets, for the metric or SAE deep sockets, 45 bucks. Does show that these have dropped down to $45 back in 2023. They had been discounted to $40 regular price last year, but soon after went back up to $45. Regular coupon has had them down to 40 bucks, and then ITC coupon, as recently as a couple months ago, had these at $35. So overall bundle is a decent deal. You're getting both the ratchet plus the deep socket set, your choice of SAE or metric, down to $70 essentially, $69.99. Nice. $44 off, 38 essentially, if we're rounding up, over 38% off, 39% off, we can say. And that's a decent deal, but very specific. Unfortunately, we don't have more options on which G2s to get and which sockets to get. But that is the deal of the day, number 10. Those are the 10 days of deals. Saturday, you got 40% off all Apache, $36 for the Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount light. Free gift starting today. Are you getting your pressure washer or pressure washer accessories? And then, of course, don't forget 30% off next weekend, July 31st to August 2nd, 30% off all items $10 and under, 30% off all items $20 and under. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think. Deal of the day 10, I feel like it's decent. It's decent. Bundle is decently good. Wish more options. And I wish they would have bumped up the 20% off to maybe 25% off or higher, because we see this deal often. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as usual, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing, hyping, becoming a channel member. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.